So we're getting some pretty good rains right now. We had about 2 inches of rain last night, and you can see how the drainage system is working. It's working awesome. The yard is totally dry. This is awesome for the sod too. It's really exciting. There's no sitting water down here in the window wells or in this retaining wall area. The yard is totally dry. You can see here, you can see this is doing its job and filtering out the leaves. You can see all through here, it's real dry. The window wells are dry. And then the yard drainage is catching everything before it gets here. And you can see them all going through here. So happy with how it's working. You can see that drain over there is working real good too. And that's it.